Hello everyone, in this tutorial I walk you through how to generate or export PowerPoint from Apex chart. As you can see in the demo, you can uh, export chart using GS library. So as you can see here, it's the same as the Apex chart. You can control the colors and the labels and many things. So if you want to see it step by step, you can check the article. In this tutorial, I go through every step one by one. It's very simple. Uh, Here I will show you very fast how you can go through it. In the chart region, you need to uh, initialize the callback to retrieve the chart data and the chart options. And from there, you can manipulate the data. Um, so in the page level, you can add the GS library, and in the global functions, I did the function to prepare the data and generate the PowerPoint. Also, in the button, you can call the JavaScript function to uh, export the PowerPoint. So if you want, you can like this video, subscribe for more tutorial, and thank you for watching. See you.